A new debut.
Nandito kami ngayon sa may factory ng wire dito sa Henan.
Particularly, a harmonious coexistence of human being and the nature. Connecting to the world, delivering light. This is Jinshui Cable Group.
Shinju Cable Group.
The non-Jinshui Cable Group was founded in
Ayan,
1980.
translate niya na. Moto pa rin.
Hindi natin alam, siyempre.
And kept going ahead. For the past 30 years, it has experienced a tremendous change. The power of creativity are united here and burst out.
Ayan.
It grows rapidly in competition and achieves leapfrog in innovation, which opens up a legendary career. With grand view, profound bearings and fighting spirit, sagacious leadership team of Jinshui Cable Group integrates sector resources and sets up